Good morning, guys. How are we doing? How we doing, Brian? What's good, brother? All right, guys. I am bearish. I kind of am looking for a short entry in this fair value gap, to be honest. Sell side liquidity is targeted right here. This is going to get hit. This is going to be the magnet, right? We came up again. Look how perfect these weekly opening gaps are, guys. Literally acting as a magnet. Come back up, take this one out, come back up, act as resistance. Come to the next weekly opening gap, acts as support, come back up, perfectly touches, acts as resistance, breaks through, come back up, act as resistance. Now I want to see us come and take new lows today. That's going to be my goal. So I want to see us try to see if we can catch a short entry. And the only one I'm watching right now for is this 5-minute fair value gap here. But again, at open, I think we might just have a big move to the downside. So I'm just going to be careful and wait. Market open, let's see what happens. I'll show you guys what I'm watching on Bookmap right here. All this liquidity right here. See? All this liquidity created down here. Now trying to get soaked up right now. A lot of liquidity down here, but again, all these orders got taken out once this big move came in. Some liquidity still up here as well. Take a look at NQ. NQ is also most likely just going to come down and take these lows out. No entry really given to the short side. Again, I do think this is a come down though and take this out for sure, but no really entry given for me. Wanted to see a pullback to this fair value gap. Haven't really gone it yet. We'll see if anything else gets created. Nothing created here yet. We had this 1-minute fair value gap that I guess we can say that we rejected off of, but we literally pushed through this to take this high out and then coming back lower now. Again, the real short I would want to take, it would be up here. You know, once we come up and we reject off this new weekly opening gap, this would be break of structure. We have, you know, good displacement through it. And then, of course, fair value gap here. This would be our entry targeting this low. That would have been great entry. Dude, there's been a lot of good setups in the pre-market session recently. That's interesting. Might have to start waking up a little bit earlier and watching the pre-market session a bit. I honestly might look to take a short entry if we create a fair value gap here, because I think we have enough selling pressure to just take out this low. Any news today? No. All the news was pre-market. Again, right now, just being patient. No setup for us quite yet. If ES and DXY are both dumping, it's best to just wait, because they shouldn't be correlating with each other. Yeah, looking at a bigger time frame, look at this 4-hour rejection. We come up, reject that weekly opening gap and this order block, right? We have this 4-hour order block that's been acting as resistance. I think this is I think we're gonna just sell off today. Guys, I might be watching for ES shorts here in this fair value gap. Again, liquidity hasn't been taken yet, so we might give it a try here. Watching shorts here. Not in the fair value gap yet. Watching. Alright. I'm giving shorts a stab here, guys. Giving shorts a stab here. Gonna have a tight stop above this wick here. My target is gonna be the liquidity, sell side liquidity at 3930.75. Got a nice entry here. My stop loss is going to be this wick high. Again, this is just a little scalp here, guys, I'm going for. Stop is going to be 3944.25. 3944.25. I'm in 3 ES contracts here, guys. 3 ES contracts. Want to see sellers continue to come in and take this back down. Again, stop is at 3944.25. Good risk on this. I like the setup. It's worth giving it a stab. There we go. Getting a nice sell-off so far. I want to see us continue to reject. I just want to see strong volume now come in and take us lower. My first take profit is 3930.75. 3930.75. Here we go. Come back down. I'm up 700 around here on 3 contracts. Want to see us just have that big push now to take these lows out. Here we go. There we go, baby. Run. I'm going to take off 2/3 of my position here, guys, once we take this level out. There we go. Coming down.
Nice trade.
Almost here. Almost. I'm not out yet. I want to see this level get broken. Again, still not out yet. There we go. Come on. Let me see that break. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Letting this go. I'm up 1200 here, and I still want this to flip so I can take my price target out. Again, this level will be taken out, so it's worth for me to just wait.
We're near NQ overnight low.
Yeah, NQ broke liquidity here as well, so we do want to be careful with that because ES has not broken yet. There we go. All right, I'm out. Good trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful start to the morning. I'm letting my one contract run now. I'm moving my stop. I'm in one contract here now. I'm only in one contract. Just gonna let it run. My next price target on this contract is gonna be this low here. It's gonna be this low, which is 3,920. Gonna let my last contract run to 3,920. Guys, if my contract gets taken out here, this is gonna be I'm one trade for the day and I'm done. Like, look at this sell-off, guys. I'm up 700 on one contract. Look at this, guys. Guys, look at this fucking play. Letting my last contract go here. I'm up 700 on one contract here, guys. Want to see this low now get taken. Going to be careful looking at NQ. NQ has taken out that overnight low. So we could end up trying to bounce from here now. Again, just going to let this contract go. Probably going to just trail my stop. Going to move my stop down to here. I don't want to even see us come back up to here, to be honest. I just want to see us continue to flush down. I don't want to see us, like, chop. Smashed it, brother. We'll call it a day there. Guys, how we do on that trade, guys? How we do? Did not take a great play, the man. Congrats. Not chasing. Yeah, don't chase it, guys. Don't chase this if you're not in. Let's go. Wish I could have joined that. Currently at work, lucky more days. Hey, just being in here learning is a lot of value as well, brother. 950 on the funded challenge. Thanks, man. But holy, I'm using different prices on my Dom. I need help. Yeah, it'll change over. Pushed out and sold it at lol 1200. Nice, brother. You make it look too easy, bro. It's not, bro. It just takes time. First time trading 2 contracts. Nice, bro. Again, steady wins the race. Just scale up a little bit over time. You don't want to force it, right? Up 75. Nice trade. So do I have to switch from ESH? Yeah, you should have to switch from ESH to ESM now. Can't even trade ESM on NinjaTrader. It'll change over the next day, I'm pretty sure.
That's interesting because I'm still on ESH and there's no issues for me.
Yeah, I'm trading on ESH on my Ninja right now. There's no issues. It'll just show different numbers. It'll just show different numbers. 480, 80, made 600, green, up 1100. Nice, guys. 870, 950, 20 on 30. 420 on my eval, 150 on small. Nice. Yeah, I traded that on the small account too, guys. I made like 240 on that for the small account. Yes, sir. I was confident with this trade. Yes. Has Tradovate and Ninja rolled over? Doesn't look like Ninja has, but looks like Tradovate. On Tradovate you can change it, but I like the very tight stop. Yeah, I did as well. The risk to reward was really nice on this trade, guys. Again, my runner's about to get hit on my PT too. Coming down here. I don't care about catching the whole move to the downside today. Like, we could definitely sell off and take out like 390, but I don't even care.
We might just
here we go.
Ship, so.
Last contract. Look at this runner, guys. I'm up almost 1,000 on one ES contract here. Give me that PT. Give me that PT. Here we go. Coming down. Let me see that break. Let me see that break. Here we go. Come on. I want to see that level get broken. There we go. Boom. Filled. I'm out there. That was my order filled, not yours, so don't get scared.
Bro, just scared fucking everybody.
Beautiful fucking trade, guys. Beautiful fucking trade. I'm done for the day. I'm done right there. I don't need to trade. I'm up 2K on the day, guys. I'm up 2K on the day. I'm done for sure. One trade, come in the morning, boom, done.
I might actually have a trade soon, guys. We'll see.
Cheyenne might take one. Made back yesterday,
see,
2
we'll
losses
see.
plus 200 more. Guys, that is what we do, guys. When we take a loss, keep them small. Remember, like yesterday, I took an $800 loss, but we know when we win, right? Because we let our winners run. Look at this RR, guys. Look at this RR. Our original stop was here. Our original stop was right here. This is a 9R trade, guys. 9 risk to reward. That is the shit we want to be taking. This is setting you up nicely for CPI next week. Should be a big week. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm taking the money and leaving. Guys, you will find, Shine, tell me if you agree with this, but the most profitable traders I know leave room on the table.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. Guys, you will not catch the top and bottom of every move, and you have to be okay with that. Like, I do not care if this ends up going to 3,900 today. I do not care. Like, it just does not phase me. Oh, this guy's even more. Like, oh my god. It doesn't phase me whatsoever. My play is over, so this does not, like, regard me anymore. Like, this has no... I have no connection to this whatsoever. And I'm not going to mentally let myself connect to this whatsoever because my play's over, right? It's not like, oh my god, it kept running. I would have made, like, so much more money. No, you're thinking like a fucking baby. Stop. That's how you're going to end up losing money. Do not think like that, guys. Please.